What's going on, Peach Cactus family? Andrew here. Happy 4th of July to everyone out there. I wanted to do another PC build video, and today I have some monitors. Let's take a look. Alright, I have here the Acer XF0 series 27-inch LED FHD, so it's 1080p, and it's got 144 hertz and 1 millisecond response time, and it's AMD Freesync, and I believe it's on the NVIDIA G-Sync compatible list. I'll have to double check. I saw one serial. It may or may not be this one, but either way, it might be G-Sync compatible. So I couldn't pass this deal up. It was a pretty good one at Best Buy. So I'm pretty happy with it. And if you know anything about PC building or interested in it, you'll find that there is a huge variety of monitors and things to pick from. So without further ado, let's go ahead and crack this open and take a look at what's inside. All right, so here we are. It's really huge. It's a big box, so it took a lot to carry this bad boy out. So let's go ahead and open it up. We have some instructional material, always good. Display port, definitely going to need that for the 144 hertz. Power cord, useless without it. Then we have a USB A to, I think, like a D sub. This is because these monitors have like USB ports on the side. You can plug this into the back of your computer, 3.0 I believe, and you can get the full charging and usage of the ports that are on the side of the monitor. So that's a bonus. So I spared you the grueling part of getting it out of the box. Let's see what else we've got. So we got the base plate. We've got the neck or arm for the monitor, and it does turn, so you can get tilt, and it glides up and down. Here's our monitor. When I watch a review, sometimes the important things like ports are kind of overlooked sometimes. So here they are. There's the USB. There's two on the bottom here of the monitor. And there's two on the side. Then we have our power. It's got an on-off switch, which is nice. Display port, two HDMIs, and a sound SP diff jack. And then you've got, respective to the other side, you've got like your menu. It's a D-toggle, power button. There's a LED that gives you an indicator. It's a soft blue. And then a couple different menu buttons like brightness and what mode you're on and things like that. I actually love the toggle. It's probably pretty cool. I've seen monitors that use the old style. You got a nav back and forth. This is easy to use. So without further ado, let's hook it up. Okay, so here we are with the monitor all hooked up. So I'm going to bring it in a little closer so I can use both my hands here to demonstrate some of these features. So I've got it pretty comfortable where I like it, but it can also go down further, and it can height adjust really high. That's probably 7 or 8 inches maybe. And it also tilts all the way. I'm not going to do it all the way, but it can go all the way in either direction. And this is also Vesa supported, so you've got that as well. And it has this soft ambient light right here at the bottom. So here it is, the power LED. So it's just a little indicator, and it goes on and off accordingly if you turn it on. So I just turned it back on, and it has the Acer logo for a moment, probably 5-10 seconds. Then it boots right back into where you were. So I've got mine hooked up through HDMI because, again, this is part of my PC build series, so I'm on my laptop with HDMI. It only has one HDMI, so I bought 2 of these. So this one I've been using for 3 days. Absolutely love it. I did another Samsung monitor that I bought and immediately returned. I love Samsung, but the particular one, I'll not even go into the details on it, but this one, much richer, much faster. The 144 hertz, I only get 122 out of this particular monitor, but I love it so far. So if you're interested, there's a good monitor and a good review. I'll see you next time. Happy 4th of July.